Hey guys, these are the notes for lesson 2-1. We're going to be working on adding and subtracting one-step equations. So what you'll want to do for that is get yourself a highlighter. It doesn't really matter what color. I think I'm going to go with a green. I'm going to go ahead and highlight the words one-step equations. And remember, this was the one we talked about at co-op the other day that we needed to write down. So make yours look exactly like this with all the pencil stuff down here. And then when you're done, go ahead and resume the video. So what we'll do, we're going to start with this one. We'll do the addition. And you can see right here, the rule is to undo addition, use subtraction. So what I'm going to do, I want to solve for x. To find out what x is, I need to undo this addition that's right here next to it. So I draw what's called a weight bar down the center right here. And as the rule says, to undo this addition, you're going to use subtraction. So because it says plus 8, I'm going to subtract 8. And whatever I do to one side of the equation, I have to come across and do the exact same thing to the other side of the equation. So that's going to cancel out. Positive 8 and negative 8 makes 0. So that just cancels out. All that's left over here is an x. And then I'm going to drop that equal sign straight down. And then I do 3 minus 8, which is negative 5. So I get my answer is x equals negative 5. And I can plug that back in up here. Like if I were to replace this x with a negative 5, if I do negative 5 plus 8, that is 3. So I know that's a true statement. That means I did get that correct. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to look at right here, x minus 5 equals 2. So we're looking at subtraction now. And the rule down here at the bottom says to undo subtraction, use addition. So basically use the inverse operation of whatever you're looking at. So to get rid of this minus 5 that's next to the 8, I draw my weight bar. To get rid of minus 5, I'm going to add 5. And I do the same thing over here. So those cancel out, and I have x equals 7. And I can try to replace that x with a 7 and see if it makes a true statement. 7 minus 5 equals 2. That's a true statement, so I know that this is the correct answer. If you ever get a statement that's not true, that means you probably got the wrong answer. The assignment for 2-1 is right here on the back of that last page we did. It's on page 8, so those are notes 2-1.